LemoMelon!
Are you ready to find some colors? I'm always ready. Let's go!
Colors, colors, where could you be?
Look around, what do you see?
Yella, Reddi, and Blue the bear, looking for colors everywhere.
Baby Leo claps his hands so tight. Let's find the colors.
Oh, what a sight!
I'm ready, and I'm looking for red. Can you find something red?
Like a shiny apple,
Crunch, crunch.
like a sweet strawberry.
Yup, yup.
Touch something red, hurry, don't be late.
Bright and joyful. I'm Yella, and I love the color yellow. What else is yellow, little fellow? The big bright sun up in the sky. Yellow banana, let's give it a try. Spin like the sun, round and round. Let's have fun.
Aww, calm and friendly.
I'm blue, and my favorite color is blue. Do you see it too?
The deep blue ocean,
Splish, splash.
the beautiful sky.
So high.
Wave your hands like waves, up and down, be brave.
Cute toy instruments. Baby Leo.
Green, green,
That's right, Leo. Green like the tree.
green like the peas.
Yummy, yummy. Green is good for my tummy.
Colors, colors, where could you be? Look around, what do you see?
Yella, Reddi, and Blue the bear, looking for colors everywhere.
Yellow
Colors the best we've seen.
Red, yellow, blue, and green.
Baby Leo.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.